So my name is Marian. I have finished LAT 3 months ago. I studied a level 5 diploma in applied trading, and for the moment I'm renting a desk. I decided to learn trading because I wanted a career change, I wanted financial freedom, and basically I wanted to work for myself. After trying myself for 2-3 months, I decided to take it serious. So watching YouTube videos was not enough for me, so I started to search for schools, universities, and I found LAT. After that I checked the reviews. I've seen that everyone is saying it's a very good place, the best you can find in London, so I decided to give it a try. My goal would be to have a financial freedom, to be confident on myself, and to be able to take good decisions myself, to believe in myself more. I would recommend LAT not only to friends and family, I would recommend to anyone who wants to be serious about trading.